Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Ribchester, which is near Lake District, about an hour away from Lake District. There's 15 of us going and we're going for a week. So yeah, let's see. I'm going to try vlog as much as I can and let's see how this trip goes. Hopefully it's fun, especially during this time of coronavirus. So we're going on a week's trip, but it looks like we're moving house right now. We've pretty much moved the whole house and yeah, this is a typical Indian family. This is what we do. Take the whole house with us. Not really sure how we're gonna fit all of this in the car, but let's try and let's see. Probably have to leave some things behind, but it's all right. We've arrived. We're 5 minutes away to our accommodation. We're staying at Somerwood in Ribchester, and this is the view. It's so pretty, the countryside. I love the countryside. Look at this bridge, it's so pretty over here. Going under the bridge, the country houses, they're so nice and pretty. It must be nice staying around these areas. We're gonna be living with cows for a week. I'm excited to hear their noise in the morning. That'll be my alarm. This is where we'll be staying. This is the cottage. 15 people will be sleeping in here. The pond outside. It's a bit dirty, but it's pretty as well. Then there's a cinema room over here.
Now we need either HDMI cable or something. Who's it? And then January, did you see?
There's also a table tennis table. Currently getting all the spiders with the broom. Mist at the back. now we're taking a lovely morning walk in the countryside. This is our first day of Come Dine With Me. It is the mum's turn first, and what they have prepared looks yummy.
So our restaurant is called Tasty Like the menu. You can look at the menu for the main course and dessert course.
Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.